Hey everyone, today I'm excited to talk about a game-changing accessory for the Oculus Quest 2, the VR facial interface bracket and PU leather foam face cover pad replacement. If you're like me and spend hours diving into virtual worlds, you know how crucial comfort is for the overall experience. That's where this product comes in. First off, let's talk about the build quality. The facial interface bracket is sturdy and well-designed, providing a secure fit for your Quest 2. The PU leather foam face cover pad is soft yet durable, and it's sweat-proof and light-proof, meaning you can say goodbye to discomfort during those intense gaming sessions. Installation is a breeze. It literally takes minutes to swap out the original interface with this one. And once it's on, the difference is noticeable immediately. The added comfort from the foam face cover pad is a game-changer. No more uncomfortable pressure points or irritation on your face, just pure immersion. But comfort isn't the only benefit here. The PU leather material is easy to clean, so you can keep your headset feeling fresh even after long hours of use. Plus, the light-proof design helps to block out any distractions, enhancing your focus on the virtual world. I've been using this replacement face pad for a while now, and I can confidently say it's one of the best upgrades I've made for my Quest 2. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, this accessory is a must-have. Trust me, once you try it, you won't want to go back to the original setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.